Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Mega, and let me show you how to accomplish here the wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, let's choose power off and tab OK to confirm it. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys, and release them as soon as MICROMAX logo pops up on the screen. Now let's wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the no command picture should pop up in a second. This is no command picture. Now let's hold down the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. And this is Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here let's scroll down to choose wipe cache partition and press power button to choose it. The device is wiping the cache files, the phone is formatting all temporary cache files. As soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now let's unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.